Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to just very quickly share with you one of my new little wish list plants that I got, which is a very sad looking specimen, I have to say, because it came through the post and two of the leaves were loose in the box. And thing is, I know some people are probably more strict on this than others, but I understand that sending a plant, it's a living being. If I'm missing a couple of leaves, as long as the plant generally looks alive and I think it's going to bounce back, I just let it be, especially when it wasn't crazy expensive. So I had one of these before and I could cry about it because it's back when it was really expensive, or a lot more expensive than this one was, and it was way smaller. And personally, I would be quite wary of buying those tiny plants. I actually have one at the moment and I made a video about it in my Whipple Way video. And that was about the same size as the last, I don't know if I told you what this is, but it's a Philodendron Snowdrift. And it was about the same size as the Whipple Way in the little bag. And that one is actually doing really well because I learnt my lesson, and actually how those tiny little plantlets with hardly any roots on seem to do best is to just keep them in their little sphagnum moss and put them in a sealed bag, and that way they just seem to have a nice humid environment. And that one is actually doing well, and I wish that I'd have done the same with my Snowdrift back in the day. It would probably be huge by now, or at least a lot bigger. But it didn't help that when I was away, I have a friend that comes and waters my plants, but she's not really a planty person, so I just kind of hope for the best, and when I get back try and salvage everything. And when they're bigger, it's fine, but some of the smaller ones, and that one just didn't make it. I got back and it was just too dry. It didn't make it. So I'm not gonna say they're difficult plants because I just think there was many things that affected that one dying. But I have eventually given myself another go with the Philodendron Snowdrift. It's a very white one, this one. I don't know if you can see. I probably won't bother doing any filming of this because I think you can just about see it's dripping as well, because I gave it a really good water because it's very hot here and it dried out a lot in the delivery. But I love these guys. I will try and come back and make a video when it's bigger of this one, because I think Philodendron Snowdrifts are absolutely gorgeous when I've seen photos of them mature. This one obviously isn't mature, but I do love that variegated leaf. Love it. And they really beautiful when they get big. They look a little bit of similar, I guess, to the a cross between a Parise Verde and a sort of imperial green or something, philodendron wise, because they have these really big frilly leaves, but they grow more like a Prince of Orange or whatever from what I've seen. But I don't know exactly how they grow until this one grows, because I've only seen pictures of them. And yeah, I just wanted to share with you my new little wish list plant. If anyone has any tips, please pop them in the comments. And yeah, I'm excited to watch this one grow, and I hope everyone's well, and I'll speak soon. Bye bye.